Good morning. Sorry for the late videos, but we were away, we forgot, we're a little nuts. So here you go. I don't know why we do this cold start stuff, because we just hope that it starts and that it actually idles properly, and then oil pressure and oil temperature and water temperature is correct. But it's in the basement. It hasn't started for 2, 3, 4 days. Pull the choke. Start it up. We're going to shut it off so we don't kill everyone in the building. Take it outside and do the remainder of our road. Okay, so we did our cold start in the basement. We did not want to asphyxiate everyone, so we brought it upstairs. Sorry to say it's raining outside a little bit. I do not have a mic because Jason forgot the mic at home. Anyway.
Oh my God.
It happens, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to yell like the old days in the car. We're going to drive it. Although it is spectacular, it is immaculate, it is turnkey and could roll onto any Concours lawn. It is raining a wee bit, like in England, so we're going to just get down on the road here, and let's see, wipers work, and I hope no one's frowning upon the fact that we are driving it on slight slick roads, but again, we were away on a rally in Montana, so I apologize, but as you can see, everything is working. I've gone through everything. It is excellent. It was formerly owned by well-known car. What is Donald Osborne? Aficionado.
He's an authority.
Buck up, folks. It's time to assess and caress with Donald Osborne. If you love classic cars, then Donald loves you.
If you love cars, then Donald loves you.
Yeah, I have no idea why he did that, but it's Monday, you know what I'm saying? So we got to start the week somehow with our psychosis. Donald has surveyed and appraised I don't know how many cars. This was one of his own. So if you don't know who Donald Osborne is, or the Ordrain Concours, you should probably Google his name, and you'll see it's had a good home in the past. So open the door.
Open the door.
And we'll have to close the door.
Oh, what should we do now?
I don't know. We will close the door.
Oh, now we'll close it. Yes.
Yes.
Very good.
As you can see, Jason is in prime form today. So we're going to go down the farm road in a minute. At speed, turn around, bring it back, splice and dice, upload this video, and hope everyone can appreciate what a great TR4 this is. Sorry, Top, guaranteeing a bit of exclusivity within the Triumph TR4 world. Second gear, third gear, wipers, fourth gear. I know people discuss video while we were away in Montana on the Going to the Sun rally. And, you know, looking for bears, mountain lions, you know, wildlife.
Nature's beauty, all of what Mother Nature has to offer. Didn't see much of it. Didn't see a single bear.
No, we saw no bears. In fact, only one participant saw a bear, and that was on a camera to his garage at home. Wasn't even on the rally. Anyway, she's a great triumph. We'll see you in the walk around. I hope everyone can appreciate this as being exceptional, and someone may give it the home that it deserves.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bid with confidence. Peace. Rainy day here at Autosport Designs. But as you can see, the TR4 Surrey top is really looking awesome, even out here in the rain. It's going to be cleaned very nicely prior to sale, prior to it's going to a new home. And I can tell you that it looks pretty darn good out here in the rain too. It's just a drizzle. It's really not that heavy anyway. But take a look at the gauges, the dash. It's really a gorgeous piece. We wouldn't have it if it wasn't exceptional. Look at the hides. Really cool steering wheel. Check out the headliner, the door cards. Just a fantastic piece.